Hi students, today's topic is role of FMC. The role of FMC is in the forward market is substantiated in this section 18th and description of its functions in detail. So, Forward Market Commission provides regulatory oversight in order to ensure financial integrity, market integrity and to protect and promote interest of consumers, non-members. The FMC advise the central government in respect of the recognition or withdrawal of acknowledgement from any association. So, it also advised the government about the issues originating out of the administration of this act. The FMC comprise the task of continuing forward market under observation and take required action which should be according to control given to the commission by the Forward Contract Regulation Act 1952. So the FMC accumulates information regarding the trading condition in respect of goods, including information concerning supply, demand, and price, and publish essential information. The Forward Market Commission performed the role of regulator after assessing the market situation and taking into account the recommendation made by the Board of Directors of the Commodity Exchange. The Commission approves the rules and regulation of the exchange in accordingly with which trading is to be conducted. It requires permission for commencement of trading in different contracts, monitors market condition continuously and takes remedial measures whenever necessary by imposing various regulating measures and also execute the task of submitting to the central government periodically reports on the functioning of this act and on the working of a forward market associating to such goods. The FMC makes recommendation boldly with a viewing of ameliorating the organization, the working of forward market. It means it is going to make better the organization and the working of forward markets. So the FMC undertakes the examination of the accounts and other document of the registration with the association or any member of such association. The FMC perform such determines duties and exercise assigned by power by the Forward Contract Regulation Act 1952. The objectives of FMC to advise the central government on the subject of assigning or withdrawal of recognition from any commodity exchange, to observe the forward market activities and to take necessary action within the power assigned to it under the Act. So, it gathered and published obligatory information related with forward trading and it gives recommendation regarding the improvements in working of future trading and commodity exchanges, to examine the account and other documents of any recognized exchange association or any member of such organization, to execute other function assigned to the commission by FCR. FCR means that is Forward Commission by FCR Act 1952. So, to analyze the conditions under which futures market was introduced for natural rubber, to analyze the relationship between spot and future markets, to analyze the price behavior in the spot and future markets, to analyze the stockholders responsible to the future markets, to study and effectiveness of various regulatory mechanisms such as forward market commissions. Next one, responsibilities and power of FMC. So, the power of FMC are as to keep forward market under observation and to take such action in relations to them as it may consider necessarily. It is an exercise of the power assigned to it by or under the act. So it advised the central government to respect of the recognition or the withdrawal of recognition from any association. To make a recommendation generally with a view to improve the organization and working of the forward markets, to undertake an inspection of the account and other documents of any recognized association and registered association or member of such association. It allows a futures trading in 23 fibers and manufactured with the 15 spices, 14 edible oils, 6 apples, 4 energy products, and single vegetables, 20 metal futures, and 33 other futures. Next thing, Essential Commodities Act 1955. Essential Commodities Act 1955 was enacted in enacted to ensure the easy availability of essential commodity to consumer and to protect them from exploitations by traders. So, essential commodity means any commodity essential for the subsistence of the life of commodity and declared as such by the central government. Definition of essential commodities according to the section 2A, essential commodity as to mean a commodity specified in the schedule. The central government may amend it if it is satisfaction that it is necessary so to do in the public interest and for reason to specified in the notification published in the official gazettes. The Act provides for the regulations and control to production, distribution, and pricing of commodities which are declared as essential for maintaining or increasing supplies or to ensuring their equitability, distribution, and availability at fair prices. The ministries, departments of central government, and under the dedicated powers, the state government, UT, administration has issued order for regulating production, distribution, pricing and other aspects of trading in respect of the commodities declared as essential. So the enforcement implements of the provision of the Essential Commodities Act 1955 lies with the state government and UT administration. So the importance of essential commodities, it cracks down or holders and black marketers of such commodities. It gives that almost all crops and seasonal, ensuring round the clock supply requires with the advocate build up of the stocks during the seasons. Food processing industries needs to maintain a large stock to run their operation smoothly. Stock limited their operation in such a situation. Large scale provide investments are unlikely to follow into the food processing and cold storage facilities. The ECA gives a consumer protection against regulating production and distribution in pricing of essential commodities. So, the objective of essential commodities to control the production, supply, distribution, trade and commerce in certain essential commodities in the interest of general public. So, it also to prevent the black marketing and price inflation of various essential commodities.